Hello, my name is Uriel, and this is my project. I tried making a website for something like an Uber sign up where it asks you for your email, your phone number, to be able to send you a link to their app, and then a password so you can sign up, log in, and do whatever you need to do. So this is my HTML. It's nothing fancy, just simple, a header, a description, and then you have the three input fields: the email, phone, and password. Um, then over here I have my CSS, so we have stuff for the body. I'm using an image for the background, but if the image feels too low, then we have this, the fallback to make the background simply a solid black. Everything here is labeled, so this is for the navigation bar. Then we get to the stylings for the actual form, the background, the width, all that stuff. Then at the very bottom, we have the settings for when viewed on a mobile phone, which I'll show you guys in a bit. Then for the Java or JavaScript, I'm not very familiar with JavaScript, so I found this in a website. I understand now what everything does, but I did use a little bit of help from other websites. So this will check to make sure that you are inputting a valid email, and then this will check that you are inputting a valid phone number. Um, I played around a little bit with this to change the color if it's wrong and then if it's right. So I'll show you guys right now. So let me open up the website. So first of all, this is it. I tried using large input fields in case you are on mobile or like in a touchscreen device. So it makes it a lot easier to press. And then a big, sign up button over here. So far, there's only one page, but this is the navigation bar up here. So eventually, if you start viewing it on a smaller and smaller screen, everything's gonna become smaller to be able to fit the screen, but then eventually at a point, it just goes full screen or full width to make it a lot easier on mobile devices. So if you go to something like the 320 by 480, it could be something like this, which is still readable and very easy to click on the buttons. Then for the validation, we have so like the email here, if you put something random and then you continue, it'll turn red, so that is wrong. But then if you put something valid, like let's say I put my email here, and you continue, it'll turn green, so that is valid. Then again, this will check for a valid phone number. So if you just put something random in here, it'll turn red because it is not valid. But then if you put like a 10-digit number, it will turn green. It also stops that if you put like the little spaces that phone numbers usually have. I'm trying to maybe get something to pop up and say that you did not put a correct email or a correct phone number. So that's something I'm looking forward to working on. Then also when the page is increased, like this will continue to expand. So hopefully I can get that to eventually stop at a certain point. But other than that, this is basically it. Like I said, I tried making the input fields very large and then just make it very forward and simple. Just put it like right in the middle of the page, having them signed up, explain a little bit here. Um, Theoretically, if they wanted more information, they could just go up here, home, and read more about the product. But for a form sign up page, I feel like this is very simple and straightforward and to the point.